and he right in the next room. But I'm back with another video. I'm sorry, do a thing. What's good, YouTube? It's boy Max. I'm back with another video today. I'm gonna be pranking, you know. I'm on MRA TV. If I'm gonna be pranking because he got me, I'm gonna get him again. But I'm gonna be telling him I broke my Glock 19. I'm like, I broke my siren pin on it. You feel me? Yeah, and we're gonna get his reaction when he come up here. Let's get it. I'm gonna show y'all there ain't nothing here. I don't play about these, man. I'm be like, I broke it. Go. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna call him in here and I'll be right back. Oh shit, hold up. Go ahead. I literally just broke my damn firing pin.
Oh.
Remember what you did to me? Told y'all I got that boy, y'all. He thought I broke my firing pin. That's crazy. You got me all serious. You broke my controller? Yeah, y'all know what it is. That's not saying I didn't got him, you feel me?
Alright, well, guess what, y'all? Since he wanna do that, I'm gonna get him back. You got it coming.
Told y'all I ain't playing. I got him. I ain't keep playing. I ain't gonna keep playing. I know what it is.
Roll up the patch, smelling the weed, she down in the back. Nigga, they act, they down your